Are you ready to embark on an epic adventure? In this exhilarating video, we'll take you through the art of planning an unforgettable backpacking trip. Part 1. Dream Destinations and Itinerary Planning. Embarking on a backpacking trip is the epitome of adventure and exploration. We're going to take you through the process of creating the perfect backpacking trip. Step 1. Unleashing your Wanderlust. The first step to planning an epic backpacking journey is to let your Wanderlust guide you. Create a bucket list of dream destinations that stir your soul and ignite your curiosity. From awe-inspiring natural wonders to vibrant cities teeming with culture, let your imagination roam freely. Step 2. Research and exploration. Once you have your dream destinations in mind, dive into extensive research. Discover the hidden gems and lesser-known spots that offer authentic experiences away from the tourist crowds. Explore travel blogs, forums, and guidebooks to gather insights from fellow travelers who have already trodden the path you wish to take. Step 3. Crafting your backpacking route. Consider factors such as visa requirements, weather conditions, and transportation options when crafting your itinerary. Create a rough outline of the places you wish to visit, ensuring a logical flow between destinations. Step 4. Embracing flexibility. While it's essential to have a basic route in place, the true essence of backpacking lies in embracing flexibility. Be open to changing plans based on local recommendations or invitations from newfound friends. Step 5. Allowing for immersive experiences. To fully immerse yourself in each destination, dedicate ample time to explore its wonders. Avoid cramming too many places into a short period, as this can lead to a rushed and superficial experience. Instead, opt for slower travel, giving yourself the opportunity to connect with local cultures, traditions, and communities. Step 6. Incorporating offbeat experiences. While famous landmarks and tourist attractions have their charm, don't forget to incorporate offbeat experiences into your itinerary. Seek out local festivals, cultural events, and lesser-known natural wonders that showcase the authentic essence of each destination. Step 7. Budgeting wisely. Budget wisely and prioritize experiences that align with your passions. Opt for affordable accommodations, explore local cuisine, and take advantage of public transportation to save money while still enjoying enriching experiences. Step 8. Staying safe and informed. Backpacking to dream destinations also requires staying informed about the political climate, local customs, and safety precautions. Keep abreast of travel advisories, and respect the traditions and norms of the places you visit. Step 9. Embracing the journey. Remember that backpacking is as much about the journey as it is about the destinations. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and cherish the memories you make along the way. Part 2. Money-saving strategies for budget backpacking. Embarking on an epic adventure doesn't have to drain your bank account. With savvy money-saving strategies, you can make every penny count while still experiencing the thrill of a lifetime. To find affordable accommodation, consider staying in hostels, guest houses, or opting for homestays through platforms like Airbnb. These options not only save money but also provide opportunities to connect with fellow travelers and locals. For budget-friendly meal options, explore local street markets and eateries where you can savor authentic cuisine without breaking the bank. Additionally, look out for meal deals and lunch specials at restaurants. As for activities, seek out free or low-cost attractions, such as exploring public parks, attending local festivals, or taking advantage of museum-free days. By implementing these money-saving strategies, you can stretch your budget while embracing every moment of your adventure. Top tip. Did you know that some hostels offer free or low-cost city tours, making it a fantastic way to explore your destination without straining your wallet? Part 3. Scoring the best flight and transportation deals. Saving big on flights and transportation is key to maximizing your backpacking adventure. When it comes to booking the best flight deals for your travel adventures, savvy travelers know the importance of using fare comparison websites. These platforms allow you to compare prices across various airlines and find the most cost-effective options for your itinerary. Additionally, remaining flexible with your travel dates can be a game changer. Flying on weekdays or during off-peak seasons often leads to substantial savings. You can also embrace the world of alternative transportation options such as buses, trains, and rideshares, which can offer significant cost savings while providing opportunities to witness breathtaking landscapes along the way. Part 4. Packing essentials and smart gear selection. Packing for a backpacking trip requires a careful balance between essential items and keeping your load manageable. Prioritize lightweight, versatile clothing that suits various weather conditions and activities. Include sturdy footwear that can withstand long hikes and explorations. Don't forget travel-sized toiletries and a compact medical kit for emergencies. Smart gear selection involves investing in a high-quality, lightweight backpack that fits comfortably, distributing the weight evenly. Consider versatile gear like a multi-purpose knife, a quick-drying travel towel, and a portable water filter to stay well-equipped on your journey. With well-chosen gear and a minimalist approach, you'll be ready to embark on your backpacking adventure with confidence and ease. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the essential tips to plan an epic backpacking trip of a lifetime. With proper planning, budget-friendly strategies, and a spirit of adventure, your backpacking journey is bound to be an unforgettable experience. Share your own travel tips and epic backpacking stories in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to embrace the world of backpacking and explore the wonders it has to offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and adventurous content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest adventures. Until next time, fellow adventurers, may your backpacking trips be filled with incredible memories, lifelong friendships, and awe-inspiring discoveries.